Artificial intelligence, or simply AI as we tell, is a rapidly growing field with the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. AI is already being used in a variety of, such as self-driving cars, facial recognition softwares, and medical diagnosis as well. As AI continues to develop, it is likely to have an even greater impact on our world. I'm interested in studying this area, AI, because I believe it is one of the most important technologies of our time. I'm fascinated by the potential of AI to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. I also believe that AI has the potential to create new jobs and industries as well, and to improve the quality of life for everyone. I'm currently taking some courses in AI, and I'm planning to major it in my college in the future. I'm also hoping to do some research in AI during my undergraduate years. I believe that studying AI will be a good thing and will give me the skills and knowledge that I need to make a positive impact on the world. In addition to the technical skills that I will learn in an AI program, I'm also interested in the ethical implications of AI. I believe that it is important to consider the potential risk of AI, such as job displacement and bias. I'm also interested in the ways that AI can be used to promote social justice and equality. Mm, Finally, I'm excited about the future of AI, and I'm eager to learn more about this fascinating field. I believe that AI has the potential to make positive impact on the world, and I want to be a part of that.